Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the next lecture of English. Students, today I am going to start a topic from grammar. What is that topic? Tenses. You might have done in the lower classes. Okay, now what are tenses and how it gets segregated into different parts? I am going to show you in today's lecture. So please concentrate. The time, see tenses, the time shown by a verb is called the tense of the verb. See, verb indicates the time and that particular verb shows the tense. See, the different tenses are present, past and future. Present मतलब जो अभी चल रहा है, past जो हो चुका and future मतलब आगे जो होगा. Present tense के कितने टाइप है? Simple present tense, present continuous progressive, present perfect, present continuous progressive. Okay, this I'll show you in detail. Past, simple past, past continuous progressive, past perfect, past perfect continuous progressive. Future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous progressive. Okay, so let's start with the very first type, that is present tense. So let's start with the present tense. What are present tense? The present tenses. First is what? The simple present tense. मतलब simple present tense क्या है ये? The simple present tense is used to express habitual action. Habitual action means the daily routine which we do regularly, जो हमेशा रोज होता है. Example, he exercises rigorously every morning. मतलब ये रोज करता है वो. Exercises, es आ रहा है देखो हाँ. If it is singular then es. If it is plural then doesn't come es. Okay, he exercises. Exercises मतलब करता है. कभी रोज होता ही है वो काम. So this is simple present tense which indicates habitual action. Next example, to express general truth. The earth rotates on its axis. Okay, the earth rotates on its axis. ये भी हमने देखा है. This is also regular thing. There is no change in this. Okay, so this is regular habits जो रोजाना का काम है. See, during commentaries on vivid narratives, Rohan hits the ball hard and it goes for a 6. Rohan hits the ball and hard and it goes for a 6. Goes is also a simple present tense. Understood, children? So these are the example of simple present tense. Next example, to indicate some future event that has already been planned. मतलब कुछ हमने पहले से ही plan कर रखा है. We leave for Germany next week. Okay, we leave for Germany next week. This is also simple. हम मतलब निकल गए होंगे जर्मनी के लिए अगले हफ्ते. ठीक है? Next, the present continuous progressive tense is used to indicate an action that is going on at the time of speaking. James is studying at this moment. Continuous means the work is still going on. It is not completed. Work is in progress. See, is studying ing form. The verb is always in the ing form when it is continuous. Whether it's past, present or future. Verb कैसा होता है? ing form में होता है. For an action that has been planned for the near future. Example, we are going for a picnic tomorrow. We are going for a picnic tomorrow. We have not gone yet. We are going. हम जा रहे हैं. कब? कल. So this is also present continuous. मतलब progressive. Work is still going on. Next. The present perfect tense is used to show that all an action is just over at the same of speaking. Example, I have just finished my homework. This is present perfect tense, means right now I have completed my work. उसको टाइम नहीं हुआ है, just अभी हुआ है. Okay, जैसे कि देखो, I have just finished my homework. Understood? Have and finished. Verb is in the past tense here and have will indicate that this is not past tense, this is present tense. अगर उधर had होता तो वो past होता, but have is indicating present and verb is in the past form. Understood? Next. To indicate an action beginning at the some time in the past and continuing up to the moment of speaking. Example, I have worked. See, worked is again in the past tense, but it is going with have. That's why this is present. In this college for the past 12 years. समझ में आ रहा? यहाँ पे वर्ब जो है वो पास्ट फॉर्म में होता है, लेकिन उसके पहले जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होता है वो होता है प्रेजेंट टेंस में. सो दिस इज द वेरी इजी थिंग फ्रॉम विच यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. Number 4, the present perfect continuous tense is used for an action that begin at some time in the past and still continuing. Mohan has been playing since morning. Has been playing, has आ गया है. अगर had been होता तो past होता. Mohan has been playing since morning means काम बहुत देर से चल रहा है. Okay? I hope you all have understood this much. I hope you all have understood this much. Now let's move to the next, the past tense. What is past tense? The things which already done in the past, जो पहले हो गया है. हिंदी में जिसको हम बोलते हैं भूतकाल या अतीत. स्टार्ट करते हैं. The past tense, the simple past tense, first we have to indicate an action that has already been completed in the past. Example, Mohini danced very well yesterday. Okay, she danced very well yesterday. Yesterday past हो गया, dance का भी past form use हुआ है. This is simple past tense, easy to identify. Next example, to show past habit, she always walked to work. Okay, past habit मतलब ये हमेशा होता था. She always walked to work, काम के लिए दौड़ती थी, walked. Next, the past continuous progressive tense is used to denote an action going on at the some time in the past. Example, the girls were studying all evening. See here, ing form of the verb, that is studying. मैंने आपको इससे पहले भी कहा था, ing form आ जाता है जिसका मतलब है कि work is still going on, it's not done yet. But before studying there is were. Were is also indicating the past tense. That's why this is past continuous tense. समझ में आ रहा? पास्ट और फ्यूचर और ये कैसे करना है. अगर वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में हो तो उसके पहले हमको उसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब देखना है. अगर वर्ब आईएनजी फॉर्म में हो तो उससे पहले भी हम क्या देखेंगे, उसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब देखेंगे. नंबर 3, द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन completed before a particular moment in the past. The teacher scolded me because I had reached late. ठीक है, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस मतलब पूरी तरह से काम पास्ट में हो गया. द टीचर स्कोल्डेड, पास्ट टेंस, चिल्लाया था मुझे. मी, बिकॉज आई हैड मीन्स लॉन्ग बैक आई वेंट. रीच्ड, लेट, मैं देर से गया था इसलिए टीचर ने मुझे डांटा था. एवरीथिंग इज डन कंप्लीटली, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. Second example, when two actions happen in the past and it is necessary to show which action happened earlier than the other. मतलब दोनों भी चीज़ें हुई है लेकिन कौन सा पहले और कौन सा बाद में हुआ है. My mother's plane had landed before we reached the airport. Understood? My mother's plane had landed. Land हुआ था. We reached the airport. बिफोर वी रीच द एयरपोर्ट, हमारे जाने से पहले ही हो गया था. समझ में आ रहा? दिस इज ऑल्सो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, द पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस इज यूज टू डिस्क्राइब एन एक्शन दैट बिगिन in the past and continued up to a certain point of time in the past. They had been studying for 5 hours before I told them to stop. Had been मतलब काफ़ी देर से काम चल रहा है और had आ गया मतलब बहुत पुराना. समझ आया? Past perfect continuous. Had been studying but verb should be in ing form because the work is still not completed. It is going on and on. Okay, I hope you all have understood till here. Now next I am going to start, that is the future tense. Okay students, so whatever I am teaching you, please listen this carefully and write all these notes in the grammar notebook. The future tense. Let's see the future tense. First, the simple future tense is used. This is very easy. I shall write the answer later. To show actions that will happen in the future. ये होगा. I shall write the answers later. Okay, मैं लिखूंगा, ये लिख सकता हूँ. The future continuous progressive. To describe an action that will be continuing at some given time in the future. I shall be playing football at this time tomorrow. है ना? We also predict this. Tomorrow, I think I will be in the school tomorrow. We predict such things. So this is called what? Future continuous progressive tense. क्योंकि future में भी काम हुआ होगा क्या? मैं कर रहा होगा. Okay? Next, third one, the future perfect tense. मतलब काम पूरा हो गया कभी future में. To describe an action that will be completed at a given time in the future. Example, the children will have finished their work by 7 p.m. Okay, they will be finished. मतलब उनका काम हो गया होगा कल. Complete. Okay, the verb is in the past tense. सब वर्ब का खेल है. वर्ब के ऊपर आपको ध्यान देना है कि कौन से टेंस में वर्ब यूज हो रहा है और उसके पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब देखना है. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट इज एग्जाम्पल. Note, fourth one, the future perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that was in progress over a period of time and will end sometime in the future. By the end of this year, we shall have been studying in this college for 4 years. Understood, children? The future perfect continuous tense मतलब ऐसा, by the end of this year we shall have been studying in this college for 4 years means the work will be going on and on and on. समझ आ रहा? So these are the 3 types: past tense, present tense and future tense. तो आपको बहुत ध्यान देना है. This questions come mostly for 1 or 2 marks in the paper. Sometimes they ask you to identify the tense, sometimes they ask you to change the tense. ठीक है? I hope you all have understood, but you should be particular, you should be clear about the tenses. आपको verb के tenses change करने के लिए आने चाहिए. I hope you all have understood. Please go through the video twice and thrice for better understanding. Okay, children? Thank you so much. Go through the video, write all the notes properly in the notebook. Please maintain this grammar notebook. This is very, very useful. You can use this notes for further classes also. Okay, take care of yourself, write all the notes properly and maintain your grammar book. Thank you so much. Take care.